Okay, hey guys, it's challenge week at the You Ready collab. Since you saw Nebula's video yesterday for the Bloody Mary challenge, it was really cool and really creative, so make sure you go watch her video if you haven't. For my video, I'm thinking about doing a couple. If not, and you only see one, I'm doing the cinnamon challenge. Ooh, croaker. Anyway, this is my cinnamon.
Fell asleep for a second.
Here I fucking go.
Wow, that was rude.
I need Are you filming?
You have to wait. You have to wait before you.
Oh.
Hang on, hold on. I gotta get it all tightened and shit. What the hell? You untighten that. Okay.
This is gonna look stupid because I have to do it one take and I'm gonna be like, "How you switched
Do
it
it.
out?" And we're all talking.
Do it.
Stop! Don't watch me. Turn away. You can watch the video.
I'm not gonna turn away.
Go.
Elbow up.
YOLO. Go.
Stop being a bitch.
Mother fuck. I fucking hate cinnamon. What the fuck is this? Now my water's
What the fuck?
filled with goddamn cinnamon. I can't even. I'm just kidding. So anyway, that was gross. Totally failed. I'm crying. Watch. I can't even see myself. Watch, I'm crying. My water's gross. Watch Tessa's video tomorrow. And yeah, I'm only doing one challenge. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like everyone else's video. And I'll see you next week. Bye. That was gross. Okay, so I know I said I was done and everything, but the truth is I am done, but my brother and my friend Samantha wanted to do it, and so my video was it's gonna be a bit longer than what I expected it to be, which is good. So, here they go. I'm excited to watch it, and their channels will be linked below. And so everyone, like up and give them a warm welcome into our collab. Well, not into our collab. They're guesting, I guess. So anyway, stop. There they are.
That's his.
That's his moment.
That's his moment. Alright.
Ready?
No. Ready?
Same time. Go. Go, Sam.
Don't get the water yet. Austin's doing it.
Look at her! Look at her! Oh, I got water.
Oh, I can't. I'm breaking the tripod.
That good? Hey, Mom.
I couldn't breathe. You know, people die from the cinnamon challenge.
Oh my goodness.
Get off the ground.
I get it!
What are you doing more? You just did more.
Can't feel my mouth.
It's burning.
Stop. Oh, liquid. Oh, look liquid inside there. There's stuck all in here. Okay. Unclog it. Grow up, you bitch.